Ladies and gentlemen, innovators, creators, engineers, entrepreneurs, and every visionary who believes the future is built, not imagined. Today, I want to introduce you to a book that stands at the edge of the next industrial revolution. A book that reveals how microscopic machines will soon manufacture materials, electronics, medicine, and entire products atom by atom. A book that explains how autonomous nano-factories will reshape global production, redefine supply chains, and unlock a new era of limitless fabrication. That book is The Future of Fabrication, Inside Autonomous Nano-Factories, and if you care about technology, business, innovation, or the future of human progress, this is the one ebook you must buy right now. We are entering a new age. An age where factories are no longer massive buildings, but microscopic systems. An age where manufacturing is no longer slow, but instantaneous. An age where production is no longer centralized, but distributed across billions of autonomous nanomachines. An age where fabrication becomes intelligent, adaptive, and self-organizing. This ebook is your guide to that future. It is your doorway into the science, engineering, and economic transformation that will define the next decade. Why this ebook matters today? Because industries are changing faster than ever. Because global supply chains are under pressure. Because companies need smarter, faster, more resilient manufacturing systems. Because nanofabrication is emerging as the most powerful technological breakthrough since the microchip. Inside the future of fabrication, you will discover how autonomous nanomachines build materials atom by atom, how nanofactories self-assemble, self-repair, and self-optimize, how AI controls microscopic manufacturing swarms, how nanofabrication reduces waste, cost, and environmental impact, how nanoproduction will transform medicine, electronics, energy, and construction, how future homes, vehicles, and devices will be built using nanoscale precision, how nanofactories will reshape global trade and economic power, how individuals, companies, and nations can prepare for this revolution. This ebook does not simply explain nanofabrication. It reveals how it will transform your world. The emotional power behind this book. Every entrepreneur knows the frustration of slow production. Every engineer has dreamed of perfect precision. Every innovator has imagined a world where ideas become reality instantly. Every business leader has felt the pressure of supply chain delays, shortages, and rising costs. The future of fabrication speaks directly to those challenges and offers a solution. It shows how nanofactories can produce materials on demand, how they can eliminate manufacturing bottlenecks, how they can create products with atomic accuracy, how they can reduce environmental impact and energy consumption, how they can empower small businesses with world-class fabrication capabilities. This ebook gives you clarity. It gives you confidence. It gives you a vision of a future where manufacturing is intelligent, autonomous, and infinitely scalable. Why you must buy this ebook immediately? Because the nanofabrication revolution is already underway. Because early adopters of new knowledge always gain the advantage. Because understanding autonomous nanofactories today prepares you for the industries of tomorrow. Because this ebook gives you insights that researchers, engineers, and investors are only beginning to explore. Because this technology will affect every sector, and you deserve to be ahead of it. This book is not just informative. It is empowering. It is visionary. It is essential. Whether you are a student, a scientist, a business owner, a technology enthusiast, or simply someone who wants to understand the future of fabrication. The future of fabrication will open your eyes to the extraordinary possibilities of autonomous nanofactories. Do not wait until nanomanufacturing becomes mainstream. Do not wait until industries shift around you. Do not wait until competitors embrace the future first. Step forward. Take control of your future. By the future of fabrication, inside autonomous nanofactories today, and be among the first to understand the technology that will redefine global manufacturing. The future is being built atom by atom, and it begins with this book.